Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Who's graduating?
We love these elephants. They are very meaningful to us because they were a gift. These elephants were a congratulation for my kids moving up a grade. They are so snuggly, you can nap with them, and they are fluffy to squeeze. Such a cool gift because it comes with 8, so you can give them to all your friends that are graduating.
So if you know multiple people that are graduating and you just want to get one gift for all of them, I would highly recommend this product. You can get a lot of the same thing, same good quality, and just give them to different people. My kids love these. They felt so loved and appreciated when they were given to them. And I would definitely recommend this product, whether you want it for your child, someone else's child, or anyone that's graduating. And that's my point of view.